Hello and welcome to wsignature.com. In this video, we're learning how to make this tasty baked chicken and potato. It's a yummy meal you and your family will definitely enjoy. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future updates, okay? To begin, I'll start by washing the vegetables I will be using. To do that, I will be washing the vegetables with vinegar. Now, I'll be using potatoes for this with the skin still on for this recipe. That you wouldn't need to remove the skin for this. So first, I'll chop the carrots into large chunks as well as the potatoes. Just cut them up into large chunks, just as I'm doing right now. Then I will transfer the potatoes as well as the carrots into a baking dish. Then I'll add the runner beans, the rinsed runner beans. Now I'm going to season this with salt and pepper. Add some oil, then give it a good mix. Now potatoes actually take a longer time to cook, so if you don't want to spend so much time baking, you can actually boil your potatoes before placing into the baking dish. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm going to mix the seasoning for the chicken. In goes the garlic powder, chili powder, ginger powder, chicken seasoning, salt, and oregano. This mix is going to give your chicken a very nice taste. Okay, just this combination right here is absolutely amazing. I'll give this a good mix and add to my chicken thighs. I will rub this in. Okay, just rub it in real good, and I will leave this to sit in the fridge, covered of course, for about 30 minutes. If you want the flavor to get into the chicken really good, you can leave this overnight. Once it's done marinating, you place the marinated chicken on the vegetables in the baking dish and add vegetable oil, just add that, and we are going to bake this in the oven for about 50 to 60 minutes. While the chicken is baking, I'm going to chop some oregano and melt some butter. We're going to glaze the baked chicken with this because it's going to add some extra flavor to the chicken, but you can skip this part if you want. I just like my chicken extra flavored. So we'll melt the butter and add the oregano into the melted butter. Give this a good mix and glaze the baked chicken with it, just as I'm doing right now. Just give it a good glaze and we'll see. Just glaze it. Yes, just glaze it. You can also glaze the potatoes if you want. It adds an extra flavor. Now I'm going to grill this for 3 extra minutes and the meal is done. and it's time to serve. You can serve this alone with the chicken, or you can enjoy this with a sauce by the side. Hope you enjoyed watching. Now don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this, do hit the like button. Okay, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye bye.